Hello everyone, welcome to Swadhyay. Let's learn. This is a special series of videos where I will be sharing the day-to-day worksheets I prepare for my child who is 5 years old. I hope these will be helpful for you. I generally prepare worksheets of maths, English, Hindi, and general awareness. Today, I will share a few things he did in a day. Let's take a look at the maths worksheet. The first question is addition and subtraction. Now, you must be thinking why everything is mixed up here. The first reason is I want my child to pay attention when he is solving. They tend to make mistakes when they do not concentrate. The second reason is to check if they are clear with their concept of addition and subtraction, just to make sure that they are not blindly doing it. The third reason is when you look at a problem, you must be able to decide whether you can do it with your fingers or you need to write and solve. The fourth reason is when you have to write down the numbers to solve it, you should copy the numbers correctly. As you can see here, the number 51 is reversed and is written as 15. I have observed this problem with my child. He sometimes does this mistake and it clearly shows lack of concentration. And the symbol. It's minus instead of plus. So you should copy the numbers correctly, put the correct symbols and write the answer in the correct place. This seems to be a very simple thing, but kids won't do it. The next question is arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order or increasing order, that means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Next question, arrange the numbers in descending order. That means decreasing order, that is we have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Next question, write the numbers. The number is given in tens and ones here, so the child has to read it and write the number. This is the last question, and this question is represent the numbers using symbols. Here are a few symbols given. For 10 it's a red triangle, for 5 it's a blue circle, and for 1 it's a black square. This is again based on place value. For example, take number 37. 37 can be written as 3 tens plus 7 ones. So 3 tens, that means 3 triangles, and 7 ones because 7 is greater than 5. So we can take one circle, that is 5 plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is 5 plus 1 that is equal to 7. So this is how we can represent the number 37 using these symbols. Once the child is clear with the concept of place value, he can easily do this. It's just like fun activity. For this maths worksheet, I gave 45 minutes to my child, and finally it's time to work. I have done the correction and here you can see a few mistakes. Well, that's fine. While correction, I make sure I check the other side to see which problems he wrote down to solve. By seeing this worksheet, I get to know what I need to teach my child. So out of 15 problems, he chose 5 problems to write down and solve. While giving questions like ascending and descending order, I think we should concentrate on the numbers where the child looks more confused. My child took about 1 hour to complete the entire worksheet. Let's move on to the English worksheet. This is the schoolwork and he has to learn some spellings today. When I asked, he told all the spellings except one, that is crayons. So here I made him practice it. And the next work is writing sentences. I gave him some words you saw earlier and he tried to write sentences, although there were some mistakes. But it's okay, we can practice again. Hope you enjoyed the video and got a few tips for your worksheets. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video and write to us in the comment section. Do subscribe, like and share Swadhyay. Let's learn. Press the bell icon and stay connected with us. Thank you.